Alrighty, we made it back up here today, and we got some lighting and just covers for our electrical. I think that's kind of what we're going to do today, is try to get that done. We also got some. Hi, Lisa. What are you doing? We're going to do the electric. I can do electric. Find something else to do. Whatever. That's okay. First thing we're going to do is get all this electrical sealed up, back in its place, and covers on, and just be done with that. And get some lights in so we can get rid of our, what was it, country boy lights? Somebody said. Hillbilly lights, country boy lights. We're going to move them back out there. Lights. Yeah. We're going to move them back out there, so we'll have regular lights in here to use. So that's the plan today. Myself is going to be doing something else in there. I'm going to find something else for him to do, away from us. Away from Lisa. Okay. So our lighting for this room is Project Source is what we got. And they're just a flat mount light. This will be on a bit of an angle, but I think it'll be all right. These lights have a ring at the top that's supposed to be a nightlight. We're not sure how that's supposed to work. It may not work the way we have these wired, but that's what we got. And we got one that's really a close match for that light back there that'll be kind of above the desk area, and then two of them up here that's a little bigger. And then we also have this same light for in the mudroom, laundry room area, and then that's just out in the open area. Then we have the other ones that we showed you the last time, one of them to go above the washer and dryer. So we're going to try to get some of these put up today. So this light has all of these different settings right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different kinds of light. Soft white, warm white, cool white, daylight, cool daylight. And there's a switch on there for all of them.
You want to show the switch?
Yeah. So it just has this little deal here. You can go to any of those.
Move on to light number 3.
There, we got power now. So, hey, myself, can you flip that breaker back off that I turned on a second ago? Okay, I'll flip it off, but you didn't want me messing with electricity, did you? I know, but you can sure do the breaker box switch. You're not too weird.
Well, you raised me.
Yeah, I did raise you, didn't you?
Yeah, you raised me. So if I'm weird, it's because
We raised each other.
It's because of your doing.
We raised each other.
We did?
Yes. No wonder I had multiple personalities.
Oh, he's blaming that on me. I don't think you can blame that on me. He's definitely ate up.
So those two lights there, you turn it on once and it comes to that, which is a night light, and you turn them off and back on and it comes to that. It switches inside the light itself, evidently, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it.
I like.
Me too.
Okay, so we couldn't use the holes didn't line up for some reason on that box and this light. They were, the closest we could get was within a 1/4 inch, and using the holes that was made to be across from each other, but I found 2 holes here I could use that are really close. One of them was too big for the regular screw though, so I had to get a different, I've got 2 different screws in there now. And the heads were too big to put it up and turn it, so I just put it up there and screwed them in. But it's all good.
We need to adjust the light.
I think I did. Let's see. You look. Does that look right?
I don't know. What did you do? Put it on 2? Put it
Yeah.
on 1. Oh no. Gotta turn it back on.
Oh, I bet it needs to be right there.
Yeah. That's how I like it.
There.
Yeah, that's better.
I'll get quite a bit of light in here.
Uh-huh.
I've left these screws out. I don't like when they do that stuff. That screw sticking out right there, all the way out. I always try to run them in because you don't have very much room in there anyway, and just one less thing sticking out that could shock somebody. Doesn't make sense not to do it. So, a new switch here. Put that one in there. Pretty simple little deal, hopefully. You don't want these too tight because when you put your double cover on, you'll need to slide them around a little bit. You want them snug against the wall, but not so tight you can't move them. So that's getting pretty good. Leave that one there for now. And we didn't get any double covers, so I guess this one will just have to be left this way for right now. But that is all right. I'm gonna cut that just a little. Make sure that gets all the way down in there. Don't like to have wires sticking out in a box any farther than I have to. That could be actually cut just a hair more, but it's all right. You don't want to get the rubber down in there to where this little brass piece is pushing on the rubber and not getting as tight as it needs to on the wire. So you're better off to have just a little bit of wire showing there than none at all. And of course, that is my opinion. Tell you right now, that one needs trimmed. And that one needs a hair. So we put this plug in here and put it a little bit higher just because it might be for a vacuum or who knows what, whatever we want to plug in, but we didn't want to have to be reaching down here low, and there might be shoes or whatever else down low in here, and there might be a vacuum hanging on the wall snapped in, or we could even have our grills up here on a shelf. We don't really know, but we didn't want the plug-in way up there or way down there, and this is just kind of handy, just about waist level or a little below, I guess. It's kind of a short waist, isn't it?
No.
No, it's about, it is about Lisa's waist level. Yeah, about there on her. So anyway, it's just a good convenient height to reach in and get to with your hand. So that's why it's in that area. I don't know what the standards are on any of that, but that's what Lisa likes. So
for now until it doesn't work, and then Lisa's not gonna like it.
She won't. Trying to get this all cleaned up so we can paint it white. I wanted it painted white. Myself's the only one that knows how to paint though. And clean stuff up really good to do it. Lisa! Lisa! Lisa!
Myself.
Hi Lisa.
Hi, myself.
Can I borrow your glasses?
Those glasses.
Thank you, Lisa. You look lovely today.
Thank you. Is that gonna work?
Thank you.
That looks pretty good.
There.
Do you need I in here to help?
No, 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 no.
No. Okay. Just yell if you do, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome.
Bye.
You gonna keep my glasses?
For a little bit.
Okay.
I'm gonna scuff this up a little bit so the paint will stick a little bit better. Then we's gonna paint it white. Might just be also anyway. Yeah. Think about this now. Okay. I reckon that's good enough. This way we're just working. Okay, so we went. Lisa didn't like this yeller light in here with the white lights. So we didn't think there was an option, but I went and got the box in there and looked, and it had the same options, the same switch and everything. So now we can make them all the same. They all match. Are you happy now, Lisa?
I am happy.
That's what I like.
You're the best, I.
Yeah, I knows. Oh. He wears my glasses all the time. I'm just gonna finish his coffee off. That's why he's hyper all the time. He drinks too much coffee. Me don't drink any coffee. He needs some coffee. Myself's just kind of a middle of the road guy. Even killed. Drink the right amount of coffee. This needs to dry. Well, I believe we're going to call it a day today. We got all of our electrical kind of finished up until we get some more covers, but we're in a good position there. Myself was working on this. Got a pretty good coat of paint on it. Run out, though we're out of paint. These sides are covered, but this is the inside of the door, so it's not got anything on the other side of it. It's still gray. So we got to pick up another can of paint. It didn't cover very good at all. I was kind of let down on the way it covered. But anyway, what do you think, doll?
I think this looks better.
Yeah.
And the rooms with the electrical and everything's coming together. Looks good.
Yep. We're going to get out of here. Appreciate y'all very much.
Happy trails.